Welcome to Grandad's Reviews. In this video we're going to look at something that might be interesting. If you've got an old camera like this is a Zorky, you'll know that there's no light meter in it. So you've got a couple of choices. You can A, use the Sunny 16 rule. B, you could use an external light meter like this, which is what I often do, or you can use an app on your phone, and all those things work fine. But if you want something a bit more, let's say, in keeping with the camera and always on the camera and easy accessible, you could get one of these. A light meter that fits on the hot shoe of your camera. And that you can meter with whenever you want. So I've got this TT Artisan's one after doing a few searches and that. And what I really wanted it for was, I've got this Minolta XD7, which is one of my favourite cameras, but the light meter's backed up. So I wanted something to allow me to keep using this camera. So I got this, it fits on the top there, it's great. And to be honest, the metering on this is just as good as this was, especially when you're using negative film, whether it's colour or black and white. So let's have a quick look at this little meter. So this is the TT Artisan's light meter. You can see it uses the CR2032 battery, and that fits under this plate here. So there's a screw here to take out, and then this plate comes out and you can put the battery in. On the front you've got the opening for the light meter, for the light meter to measure the light. On the back we've got a button to switch the light meter on, and on the top we've got the controls. So on this side we've got an inner dial to set your ISO. This is the aperture, you line it up with a red line, and it's not clicked, it is smooth. And then you've got the shutter speed, which is clicked. And then if you press the button on the back, you get the meter come up on the display. So if it's showing red as we got there, it's overexposed, and if you got green, it's correctly exposed. So if it's just the red, one stop or more over. If you get the red and the green, it's half a stop over. Then green is correct. And if you get green and red, like there, it's half a stop under, or red, it's one stop or more. So you just get it to green, and that'll be your aperture and your shutter speed, like so. It's all made of metal, quite well made. But what I did find is this cold shoe, hot shoe mount here was too big for my Zorky cameras, so I've had to file it down, as you can see, to make it fit. Goes in, doesn't fall out, but it actually, before it wouldn't go in at all, and it fits quite well. You can move the foot from one side to the other. So in this case I've got it on the right because it gives me room to get to the shutter speed on here, but if you had a shutter speed or some control over here, you can move it across. That's the TT Artisan's light meter. So there we are, that was my quick look at the TT Artisan's light meter, which I'm now using on this camera and on my old rangefinders. And it works great. Well built, and can highly recommend it. And I'll put a link down below on where you can pick one up. Enjoyed the video? Give it a thumbs up, that helps the channel. Want to see more videos like this? Hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you later.